Hello, this is Melissa from Buckeye Girls Reason Things. Welcome to the Clear Glass collaboration. The hosts are Carolina Princess Sweet Treats and Pretties, and Miss Katie at Vintage Vinyl, and Miss Dame Jewelry. To me, these are three of my favorite pieces in my curio, even though a lot of people overlook clear glass. The first one is a basket with roses, and I actually found this piece of crystal at a garage sale years ago. And the water pitcher is from my husband's grandmother. His mother told me that she had brought it over from Poland with her when they immigrated here to Toledo, Ohio. And I think it's my absolute gorgeous piece in my curio. And third is two bud vases that was my mother's, and she always put roses in them because she raised a lot of roses. And I just think this one is so dainty and so thin and so fragile, but the water pitcher is more heavy and elegant and just gorgeous. Hope you enjoyed my clear glass.